Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and we are learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter T. Sound of the letter T is T. T sound. Tap. T-A-P, tap. The T sound. Toe. T-O-E, toe. Sound of the letter T is T. Tank. T-A-N-K, tank. T sound. Taxi. T-A-X-I, taxi. Tooth. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. This is how tooth looks from inside. Sound of the letter T is T. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Sound of the letter T is T. Train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Sound of the letter T is T. Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-I-P, tip. T-U-B, tub. T-E-N-T, tent. T-E-S-T, test. T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Tip, tub, tent, test, tall, table, teacher. That's all for today. We have learned so many words. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the video.